reel it in. I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the news.
Alright boys, so now we're gonna go head to the mall. Buy some iPhones and iPads and computers. Just kidding.
It's the most difficult thing I've ever done in my life.
Anything for the views.
And the first time.
Anything for the views, right?
Anything for you.
Alright, we just got done with the mall. Bought a Birkin bag, something slight, nothing crazy. Dropped a little bag on a bag. Now we're about to go to these food trucks, gonna grub. Alright boys, we just made it to this food truck event. It's packed. Got the Ferrari parked up. Look, it's really deep out here. You gotta come here. Every Tuesday's a Hollover. Stupid packed. They got some good food too. Try it out. It's like a limo. Look at it. Long body. Boy, big body Benz. Bark, bark. Starting to change my mind. They've been taking too long. We've been here for about an hour. Try it out. Try it out. Try it out.
We waited an hour because he wanted a hot dog.
Whoa, pose, 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 pose. After 2 hours, we finally got food.
I mean, but it's worth it.
Lighting sucks. Get sturdy, hurry up, come on. Kyle, get sturdy. Get sturdy. It's fucking weirdo, get sturdy.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Get sturdy, come on, come on. I'm gonna put some music over it. No, get sturdy real quick, come on, bro. Please,
I'm a chip, now ran out of condoms. Start off, no bro, no problem. Please give a stick, cause you know that I got one.
Get sturdy. Get sturdy. No, you get sturdy. This is my YouTube, bro. This is our YouTube. Get sturdy. Bow. Shit. What the hell's on your face?
Oh, see, these are little pimple sticker shits. You know?
Okay.
You know,
I'm scared of dogs.
being documented.
Coming to Chicago. Damn, man, get in the camera, bro.
My fault.
So this is what we're working with today?
Yeah. I've been wanting that shit to be on the wall for a little minute. But I'm holding clothes too. You know? Hey, you? Tank, please. You know what? Let me say hi.
Oh, goddamn.
Well, I don't got no swivel. I got the
He's mad right now.
fat bitch.
Just watch this time lapse. Alright. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this video. I mean, I feel like it's just so unorganized, but I don't know. Next video should be better. I don't know. I'm just gonna put a bunch of clips together and then as time goes on, I'll try to get more organized. Like today we're about to go to the gun range with my boy Young Moo on the beat, Young Ling Ling. Yeah, I brought a few toys out today. About to head over there now. I'm late as usual, but you know what they say. If you're on time, you're late. If you're early, you're late. If you're late, you're on time.
Nice and tight.
Jesus Christ.
That shit is no joke.
This is serious.